Hey YouTube, wagwan. Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today I'm gonna show you how to change your cabin air filter. It's always good to change these every oil change or every 2 oil change, or it depends on how dusty your environment is, or the time of the season can cause it to change often too, because a lot of pollen grains are falling down and get into that. So let's see. I'm gonna open this part right here. We're gonna take out all our paperworks, manuals and all, put them one side. And come over here. We want to pull this, just squeeze this in a little bit, like just squeeze it in. You might gonna need your 2 hand for that, but squeeze it in and bring it out that way. Okay, use my 2 hand for that one. So that's what you want to accomplish, guys. You just want to bring this off there. Now it's time to push back, squeeze this in like this, and you want to do it on the other side. So you want to do it both at the same time. So push up a little bit, squeeze both in, and it will come down like that. So once you squeeze both in and let it come down, you can just let it hang down right there. You can see the filter door right there. So guys, you just want to get a 7/32 and just I use my hand to take it off. You can see it come out just like that. So we just need to remove that side and this side. All right, so once you take out the little screws, you want to squeeze on this tab right here, squeeze on this tab, lift up on the access door, put your finger right there, pull this gunk out. You can see it's really nasty. We have our new filter right here. Mark where the airflow is. The airflow should be pointing down because it sucked the air from inside the vehicle and outside the vehicle. So the airflow should be pointing down. Also, you want to get some air freshener of your choice. Just a little trick. Just spray it up, wet it up a little bit. That's good. That's going to keep the car smelling good. And then you install it. The air pointing down. Just like that. Then you can lock this back down. Just like that. Once you install your filter, you just want to lock the door just like that. The next step is to get your little screws right here, and basically just run them in. Just like that. So guys, once we have our screws in there, hook this back in like that, just like that. Pull this down. Snap that in. Just like that. And then with your air freshener that you spray in here, should be good. Peace out. See you next time.